Here we go again on the M6 motorway. Lane hoggers central this. And people will say, well, I'm lane hogging. But I'm not. I'm actually overtaking the wagon. But the cam makes things a lot further. Well, makes them look a lot further than what they are.
Well, look at that. The wagon's even going to be overtaking it.
But it's that car in the middle lane. You see, even the wagon was catching up.
Honestly, the driving on motorways is shocking like Harry. Why isn't he pulling over? He or she?
Absolutely clueless.
Get out, man, you shower of shite.
Whole of lane 1 to himself. You would think. And this one, if you take a look, there's a woman to the left, crosses over where there's actually a pedestrian crossing, where she can control the traffic. And she decides to walk right when the traffic is starting to move. Where's the brains? Oh, this is the high beam on the M6 heading southbound. I mean, how can you not see a high beam display on your dashboard? That just boggles the mind. You get that? It's like your ultraviolet light on your dashboard that tells you you've got a high beam. Look at that, man. How dangerous is that?
What a cockosaurus. Your lights off full.
No idea. This is just a classic of not indicating. There we go.
A nice indication.
Such a simple thing to do. Oh yeah, this is a cyclist, I think.
But I'm going to work until about 7:30, get some money in.
Red lights don't occur to him.
Oh, aye.
And he hasn't done it, he's even got any lights on his bike.
Mr. Naughty Cyclist. I didn't drink, but I'll just be eating loads of food.
Obviously, digging this from the archives at Christmas time with the tinsel. And I think, if I remember rightly, so this is another driver that's just not indicating. It's just totally unaware. Drivers around him.
Indicators? Obviously not. Or us.
Oh yeah, this is a car coming the other way, or a van, if I remember rightly so, overtaking something, cutting me off. I've had to slow right down. Yes, I have got right away.
Bloody hell bells. Buckets and spades. Them ones.
On the M6 again. I can't remember what happens again. I've obviously recorded it for some reason. Ah, yes. The driver in front going ridiculously slow. Even the wagons are overtaken. People are saying, well, why am I going so slow? Why don't I overtake? Well, I couldn't, because there was wagons and vehicles coming up in the middle lane.
I mean, I'm not overtaking because it's not worth it because I'm coming off this one.
Yeah, somebody running red lights. As you can see again, look here. there's often a smash and a bump on this section, just through people running red lights. Yep.
Unbelievable, man.
Oh, this is just crazy driving. Watch to the right. Look at that.
Look at that bloody idiot. Jesus Christ.
There's just no need, is there? This is a 30-mile-an-hour zone. And somebody behind us seems to think otherwise.
In a hurry?
Yeah, and people say you're only doing 28, but no. That vehicle must have been doing at least 50 down there.
I can't believe they've locked you up for 2 days, so fuck off.
Stupidest thing ever. I've been having arguments with them.
I think this is... somebody sent me this clip in. And I think somebody pulls out from the industrial estate on the left. If I remember so. Hate industrial estates. They're a nightmare. That there was that blue car. It was that blue car.
Unbelievable.
This is the old man walking right out in the traffic. He does wave to say sorry, but just wait until you're on green, man, to cross, man. You run safety if out else. Just wait.
Stupid, like, aren't they?
Another slow driver. This is a 60-mile-an-hour speed limit. And I see this all the time on this road here, 69, heading towards Carlisle.
Notice the signs on the lamppost on the right.
39 miles an hour.
Again with that diagonal black line, that means the national speed limit, which is 60.
And people say, well, it could be in limp mode because I could have something wrong with his car.
All you drivers that do
I see this every day.
why do you do it?
And it's not every car goes into limp mode.
Are you scared to go above 40? We're coming to a dual
And you'll see in a minute we approach the dual carriageway, which the speed limit is 70.
Unless there's roadworks.
Still only doing 40, 44, 40 mile an hour now. .38.
Yeah.
And now we've approached the dual carriageway.
Intention.
Yep, had enough.
Go to the proper speed.
Totally unaware
License back in.
as well. Just think it's perfectly normal.